The mnemonic BELCH can help recall common radiographic findings in congestive heart failure, CHF, on a chest X-ray. BELCH. B. Bat wing appearance. Fluffy opacities near the hilum, indicating alveolar edema. E. Effusion, plural. Bilateral or unilateral pleural effusion due to fluid accumulation. L. Lines, curly B lines. Horizontal lines seen at the lung bases, indicating interstitial edema. C. Cephalization of vessels. Redistribution of pulmonary blood flow to the upper lobes due to elevated left atrial pressure. H. Heart enlargement, cardiomegaly. Enlarged cardiac silhouette due to chronic left ventricular dysfunction. These findings reflect the progression of pulmonary congestion and edema in CHF. Recognizing these signs aids in diagnosis and management. Radiographic changes may vary depending on whether the CHF is acute or chronic.